Hello. Today is Halloween. How exciting. Can I put this here? Oh, my hair looks bad. Here. Okay, wait. How is that? You're in my fridge. How exciting. Girl, stay open. Please? I would put it in the freezer, but I fear that the freezer will... Today is Halloween. Yay! Love Halloween. Not really, but I just went to school. This is gonna be loud, so... Okay, this isn't working. Okay, the lighting isn't working. Maybe this one will be better. It's dark, but it's like, what am I supposed to do about that? Period. Okay. Today's Halloween, and I got home from school like half an hour ago. It's currently 4. I had my Halloween costume on at school, but tonight I'm going trick-or-treating and to a little pumpkin walk, and we're gonna watch fireworks in the park with my friends. I am dressing up as Dorothy for Halloween because The Wizard of Oz is my favorite movie ever. I'm actually watching it right now because I'm leaving at 5:30, so I'm gonna get ready at like 4:45. I feel like that's a good amount of time. So I'm gonna finish watching my movie, we're gonna get ready together, and you're gonna come with me trick-or-treating to the pumpkin walk, and you're gonna watch fireworks with me, okay? I haven't trick-or-treated since grade 10. I'm in grade 12. I didn't go trick-or-treating last year because I wore my costume to school, got anxious at lunch, took it off, went home after school, and then didn't do anything because I was so upset. Which is so annoying because my costume was so good last year. I was Alice in Wonderland with my friends, but this year I prepared. My costume is so good and I love it so much. And I still have my makeup on, but I did take my hair out because I'm gonna watch The Wizard of Oz. I'm gonna eat something, and then at around 4:45, I'm gonna start getting ready. Okay, it's time, gangsters. So, here's what we're doing. I'm gonna do hair. Wait. Oh, hey. Wait, what's the best way to do this? Because I already have makeup on. I don't think I need to touch it up. Maybe curl my eyelashes again. But I think I'll just do my hair, put my outfit back on, and pack a bag. Okay, this is easy. And we're ready. My hair is done. Hey, here's the thing. Wait, I need to curl my front pieces. Now, you cannot see my costume right now because I have a sweater on. Because I live in Canada, so it's cold. I'm probably gonna wear the sweater over my costume and just have it, like, open. I'll show you the full costume when I'm with my friends. Okay, well, my hair doesn't look as good as it looks over here. But it still looks good, I think. Let me fix it. Better.
A few inches later.
Eve, where's your hat? What?
But I kind of surveying the look, though.
I was trying to do that with my hair earlier and I failed and I gave up. Change of plan. Eve, what's happening?
Oh, I thought you were gonna say Eve wants to go eat candy and watch movies. I was like, rotting me out. It's like, Mom.
Eve wants to eat all the candy. Always.
I have pride in who I am.
That's good. You should. What are we doing though?
We're walking down to the store to get candy and then we're watching movies. Oh, what did you say? Yeah. You look Amish, but you also look like... You also look like Dorothy. I'm afraid I'm gonna fall down when I fell down the stairs.
Oh, I got that.
When I had to walk to school still.
Now she's a big girl, she could drive. What is that?
I'm telling you, right now, that motherfucker in there is not real. Like Tammy when she was like, I think I'm gonna be pregnant. I'm gonna create the water. She's like, bitch, you ain't pregnant, you just thirsty. I know.
You don't understand the amount of times I've seen 1,000-Pound Sisters is actually crazy.
I really want this. I know I could eat it all. Didn't the one sister go to jail?
Oh yeah, for child endangerment.
Yeah.
And drugs.
Doing weed at a petting zoo. That's really fun.
Filming in public feels really like...
You're like sneaky with it. Like, I don't even notice. I need,
Ellie.
I have a setup. I need like an actual food. No! Wait,
okay.
that is fine. No.
Are we getting something like to cook?
Do you think they have a box cookies to cook? Okay, at least
I am.
Oh, I Where do they keep the box cookies? The Pillsbury.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Are you talking about the pumpkin ones, Ellie?
God, are those discontinued in Canada?
I think so.
It's an American thing.
That's really cute. That like cordy's it.
It is. I just had to show.
Oh, guys. Lunchables. Lunchables. So gross. I had one once. I like begged my mom. It was disgusting.
Liked them. Yeah, you're alone in that.
Food.
Okay.
No, there's a cuke in there.
No.
There was this girl in my drama class today, and we got cucumbers for the fruit and veggie program, and she literally started running around like a gremlin holding the cucumbers. Oh, that's
Hi.
Nobody's coming for candy today.
Oh my goodness.
But nobody has come. I think you take as many as you want.
Thank you so much. Happy Halloween.
Oh my god, we just got free candy.
I thought I was going to get yelled at for Alex Professional. You could lie and say you made that.
I could. I guess I gotta get some. The shelves in Noah are so much taller, so I feel like a giant walking through. I don't. What? These ones look different. I just want the normal ones. Like the circular ones? Well, those are round. But why is the bag orange? I think it's a rebrand.
It might be cheap.
What do you think?
I think he thinks that we should go look for more.
Okay. Oh, my hand was just... I find that whenever I take 0.5s, my hand is always just like this.
Mine are always in like weird positions.
Yeah.
On my lap of the store.
Oh,
There's my wiggle check. No. That's what it's supposed to look like.
that is called a ripoff.
No. I tried picking a hard one.
Oh. Hey gang, what are we doing now?
We're watching a movie, Sing Thriller. We were in the movie theater watching Sing 2. Michaela started crying.
Ellie.
Switchblade just being whipped out.
I'm catching you in the act. Oh.
So good, like.
Samantha. Oh. Where you want her? Hee
My body hurts, dude. Her friends. Ratatouille.
He's on a headband.
They're calling me a he. I was like,
No, he's on your head. He's on a headband that's on your head.
oh.
You can't see. It's pitch dark. Oh, there. You can sort of see me. Stop!
Oh, shit.